How to change your delivery date on Amazon. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can change your delivery date on Amazon. Now you see, the method of actually rescheduling delivery dates depends on what stage your Amazon order is currently in during the delivery process. And though the shipping method may vary, meaning either Amazon or a third-party seller will arrange for the or courier of your product, I'll just simply tell you some of the stages. The first stage is a customer orders on Amazon. The second is the seller receives an order notification from Amazon. Then the Amazon in an FBA arrangement or the seller in the FBM scheme processes the order, such as labeling, putting products in boxes, etc. And Amazon or the seller ships the products to the customer's house or residence. Now take note of the 4 general stages just as I discussed, because since this will connect well with the next section of this video, which is all what you need to know to reschedule your delivery. Now assuming that your product is eligible for rescheduled delivery, before you can change your item's delivery date, you need to answer some of these questions, such as did you schedule your delivery date and time during the checkout process, or is your product in the shipping stage or stage 4 as I told you earlier. The answer of yes or no to the questions that I asked you will determine what you need to do to change your product's Amazon delivery date. So what you have to do is, by logging into your Amazon account using a desktop or laptop or through the Amazon app on your phone, you can generally modify your scheduled delivery date depending on your answers to the 2 questions as I told you. If the answer yes to both questions, then you have to contact Amazon customer service to find out what options are available so you can change the Amazon delivery date. You also have to follow this procedure if your yes applies only to the question number 2 as I told you earlier. So if you answered yes to question number 1 and no to question number 2, you could try this thing, that is to proceed to the Your Orders tab on the Amazon account. So go to Amazon.com, log into your account, go to the Your Orders page. Once you go to Your Orders page, find the order where you want to reschedule the delivery, and once you do so, just click on the Change Shipping Speed button at the right hand side of the screen. So you can see Change Shipping Speed. Once you click on it, you can simply select another date and time over here. You can select arrive by the second, and it gives you some other time over here, so you can just go ahead and change that depending upon your own wish. But hopefully this video answered your question as to how you can change the delivery dates depending upon what kind of stage you're in. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.